Hey everyone, it's Luke. Today I just wanted to show you these two really high-grade Buffalo nickels that I recently purchased. Both were graded in MS67 by NGC, and both are tied for the highest grade within the particular year. The first one that I have is a 1930. This one's got some pretty nice golden toning on it. But it's really just amazing how high the grade is on these two coins. There really are no major scratches on either coin. And this one here is one of 8. There were 8 1930 Buffalo nickels graded in MS67 by NGC, and there were none graded higher. This really does look like a brand new coin. Then the second one I have here is a 1936S. And this one's not quite as rare, it's one of 35, but still none graded higher. And this one doesn't really have any toning. So yeah, I just thought those two coins were pretty cool and I wanted to share them. I really haven't seen a Buffalo nickel graded that high up until now, and I was pretty amazed when I first got them. So give this video a like if you guys enjoyed it, and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.